Mid-Autumn Festival is a time of tradition and family reunion, but 2020 is a year of loss and separation. Due to the travel restrictions, many people are stranded on one side of the border, unable to cross to another to enjoy the occasion. At Carpenters, we've seen some of our subcontractors and designers gone months without seeing their family. They choose to be here, working hard to put bread on the table. Some were unable to come back. Some have always been far from home. But the pandemic and the worries added miles to the distance. The nearest they can be to their loved ones is across a digital screen. Under the circumstances, we do our best to persevere, meeting deadlines and our clients' needs without compromising quality and efficiency. Where we lack in manpower, we make up with extra time and effort. Then again, if we ever fall short, we seek your kind understanding. It's really a difficult time, but we promise to bounce back stronger when things are better. It's a temporary situation, one that no one has to face alone. We stand by our people through thick and thin, and we become their family. Until it's over, we will cherish what we have now and we'll fight for the future. Hereby, Carpenters wish you a different but equally meaningful Mid-Autumn.